Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we are going to talk about the difference between firm, plush, and pillow top mattresses. Give you a couple tidbits on each one. So firm, this is a firm mattress. Typically you can tell right away by the stitching, it's a little more packed, feels a little more firm. Firm sleepers typically are back and stomach sleepers. Side sleepers don't really like firm because it's too much pressure on your hip and your shoulder. This is a plush. This is what we consider medium feel. So kind of all best of all worlds for sleepers. Typically we see back or side sleepers on these, not so much stomach, but it's in the medium field, so it's really based on body type. This would be recommended for really anybody because it's a firm slash plush. It's right in the middle. It has good support and good comfort. Then you come to your last guy over here. This is a pillow top. You can right away tell what a pillow top is because it has stitching that gives right away. It looks like there's a pillow on top of your mattress. This is the softest product that we offer. These are the softest products in the industry. And typically, you guessed it, side sleepers will sleep on a soft because it gives you a lot of comfort on your hip and your shoulder, so you're not getting sore, you're not losing blood flow. Back sleepers actually like these feelings too. It's kind of like sleeping in a little adjustable base, but typically your side sleepers are going to be on something that's soft. So that's the difference between firm, plush, and pillow top. Tune in next week. Thanks for joining.